Let's make a premium activewear jacket, and I normally start working on half of the garment, so I'm gonna start working on the sleeve. It's a little curvy with a high neck sleeve. Then we're gonna make the bodice. I like to do like a fitted bodice, and it's gonna be a zip up activewear jacket. So we're gonna work on the neckline, make it more fitted. I'm gonna bring the sleeves up a little bit, and we're gonna work on the armhole. Then we're gonna fill it. And now that I work on half of the garment, next I'm gonna do like a flip. Okay, and I like the curvy bottom. That's really nice. I'm gonna do princess seam using the pen tool. I really like the princess seams. It makes your body more fitted, and it's comfortable wearing this every day. I'm gonna use brushes to do the flat lock stitch. So any brushes you need, go to fashiontechpacks.com and download your free brushes. So fashiontechpacks.com, you can download not only free brushes, but you can download the tech pack template or any other free sketches in there. Now we're gonna do the armhole, and I want to do the same flat lock stitch. Now that we have the garment, we're gonna copy it and flip it. There you go. And then we're gonna do the zipper. And the same, the zippers, you can find them on fashiontechpacks.com, and you can download them for free. You can find the link in bio. There you go, and that's gonna be the back. So for the back, normally I do the same thing. I create the same paneling in the front, and then I just make it longer because the back is longer. So we're gonna copy the sleeves and then make them a little longer for the back. And now we're gonna send all 3 back panels, we're gonna send them to back. The zipper pull, you're gonna find it on fashiontechpacks.com. You can download it for free, and you can also find the link. And you can download any zippers and trims. So this is my activewear jacket. For the back, I'm gonna remove all the front panels. So I'm just gonna adjust the sleeves and do the same with the stitches. You can add the logo in the back neck, or you can add the logo on the chest. And voila, that's the jacket. Now you can do any color you want because we work in shapes, so all the shapes can be filled in with any color you want. That's the jacket. It looks really nice. Awesome.